Hi everybody, my name is Lale and you're watching Artistic Mind. I hope everybody's doing good and having a wonderful time. In this video, I'm going to paint for you with beet juice. And this is the result. So if you want to know how I made it and the paint and you want to watch the process, please stay tuned. This is my beet juice that I made. This is 1 cup. You can see exactly magenta color through the glass. The thickness of it is pretty watery. If I want to be accurate, it has the consistency of ink paint. So I used 3 medium-sized beets. I put them in a pan with 12 cups of water, a pinch of salt, and I just let it cook. The cook time for 3 beets and 12 cups of water is around 2 hours. It depends on your stove for sure, and mine was 2 hours. Of course, I cooked it till my beets were ready to eat, and after that I took them out and let the water reduce more till it's 1 cup. You can reduce it less than that, and you still have the control of the paint. You can make it thinner with water. The only reason I don't want it thicker than that because the paint is already really sticky, and thicker than this is gonna make it hard to work with. Anyways, I'll let you watch the video and the painting and see the process yourself. I'm going to explain a lot of things in the beginning of the painting, and after that going to be a speed painting. I hope you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you are new here, please subscribe and like this video for more videos in the future. Bye. I have my watercolor paper here, as you see. I draw a frame for my painting, and it's 5 by 7 inches. I'm just gonna sketch something fast and go with it. Before that, I'm gonna show you how this paint looks like and how you can control it. As you see here, it's exactly magenta color. You can control your darkness and lightness with water or layers of painting. Look exactly what you do in watercolor when you work with watercolor paint. Another thing I want to mention is you can save this paint by storing it in refrigerator for months and months. It's not gonna go bad if you leave it in the fridge and put a lid on it. Don't add vinegar or lemon juice to your paint because it's gonna change the color, and of course it's gonna smell. I'm using masking fluid in some spots that I want my light to be, and after they're dry I just take it off. I usually take it off at the end of my painting if I don't want to go over it. Exactly what I did in this painting. So I'll let you watch the whole painting, and I hope you enjoy this. I see you in my next video. Bye for now.